Hi there! In this video, let me show you how to change home address in Apple Maps on iPhone. So to change it, open Apple Maps first. And now make sure to swipe up to see more details. Here in the library, you can see your home address. So by tapping it, you'll be able to create a route to this address. You can tap it again and check more detailed information. So to be able to change it, we need to open Contacts app. Now on the top, select your card information, tap to add it, and scroll down till you can access Home Settings. Here you can change your home address. For example, I can enter something else. Tap Done, and it will be saved as my new home address. So we can tap here and check our new home address and be able to access it from Apple Maps. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.